In this video, let's quickly talk about how to export model from Google AI Studio. This is going to be useful if you want to reuse your model setup in another project or integrate into your own application. First of all, you need to head over to Google AI Studios and then just open up the project that you're trying to export. For this video, I'm just going to use one of the recent projects. This is a weather app. If you also work with the build section inside of Google AI Studios, you'll be able to see the section called build, and inside of recent apps, you're going to see all of the apps that you built inside of this platform. Now, what you can normally do, click on the code option, which lets you preview all of the code that it has written to build this particular application. If you want all of this code exported, you'll see the option called download on the top right. If you click on the download app option, all of the code will be downloaded in a zip folder. Also, if you want to deploy your model for a wider use, there's also an option to deploy to API. You can see the rocket icon on the top right, which says deploy app. This way you can easily deploy it into different projects or different platforms whenever you want. So that was a short video on the way that you export model in Google AI Studio. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos.